all of us have our hypotheses on life, you know what I'm saying? I want to know too, what's going to happen when I die. I haven't got a real answer yet, not the one that I want to hear. I like the Bay Area because of that. There's so many different cultures here. You got black, white, Chinese, red, you name it, everything here. Pretty much in harmony, you know? That's great. I think that's how God wanted it to be, man. Tai Chi is slow. Tai Chi is grace, discipline. I'm still learning what Tai Chi is. It says here, Tai Chi is rooted in the rich soil of ancient Chinese thought, which is based on observing the way things work in nature. The art embodies the concept of continuous change from one extreme to the other, as expressed in the ancient book of wisdom, the I Ching. At first, I didn't really know anybody out here. Now I know quite a few people, even by name. Yeah. I believe his name is Quoc Chin. I've never seen a man sit down in 6 years, Quoc Chin, since I've been coming out here. He don't come out here to sit down. And he told me he can barely speak English. It's strange, you know, but it's good. I think we communicate enough. I see that Tai Chi is a dying art. All the old folks are dying off. Very few of the youth are practicing. It's a hard life. So I'm trying to figure out the mysteries of life like most curious people.